Hello students, how are you doing? Today I want to remind you Unit 5 Lesson 1. Unit 5 Lesson 1, as we talked about at school, it is about present continuous future arrangements. The first thing we know what is present continuous. If we have present continuous alone, the structure is subject, verb to be, and verb plus ing complement. But now because we have future arrangements, means what? Means we talk about future. There is no present continuous alone. Present continuous alone means now, but here we have future arrangement. Future means what? Means we talk about the future, the next days, the next time, for example. So here, if we look at this one, YTV, what is happening on Saturday? On Saturday means what? Means we have to talk about a day in the future. But for example, we have 2, 3, 4, 5 workers. We have to arrange all of them one by one for doing, but we have to put a time for each one. With our time, it will be present continuous when we are in the middle of the action, but because we have present continuous future arrangements, we have to put time for each work that we want to do. Here there is a group of people. They want to visit some different places on Saturday, so they have to arrange their visiting of the places one by one, and they have to put time for spending in each place. Now we have 9:30 a.m. till 45 p.m. till 45 p.m. For example, 6:45 p.m. But here, if we talk about the structure, look at the structure is subject, verb to be, verb plus ing, complement. Here Greg is taking people to the Science Museum. When? On Saturday. The time we have on Saturday. Saturday is a day, but in this day we arrange the time. Here we have we are going to the theater in the evening. We are going to the theater. If there is no in the evening, just for example, we have we are going to the theater means now we are going on the theater. But because we have in the evening means what? Means we arrange the time. This is the first visiting that we go there. And another sentence, they aren't leaving the hotel at 9:30. Here, if we look at, there is time for these two sentences. In the evening, 9:30 means what? Means they arrange time for each workers, for each visiting that they want to do. In this structure, we have the word how long. If we ask in this structure we ask the duration of the time that they spend in each place. We use how long. For question, we use how long for the duration of the time. For example, we want to ask in each place how many minutes, how many hours they spend there. We use how long. How long? Look at here. How long are they spending at the museum? How long are they spending at the museum? Maybe the answer is they are spending 2 hours at the museum. 2 hours at the museum. 2 hours means what? Means the duration of the time. Maybe 1 hour, maybe half past, maybe an hour, half an hour, maybe 40 minutes, maybe 4 hours. So we have to remember the word of how long. If we ask about the duration that they want to spend in a place, we ask by how long. If we know the duration of the time that they spend in a place, we use how long. How long are they spending at the museum? How long are they spending at the theater? How long are they spending at the James Street? How long are they spending at the jeans store? So don't forget, students, we have the word how long for asking the duration of the time that they spend in a place. So in brief, we said we have present continuous, future arrangement. For this one, we have a special structure. Subject, according to the subject, we have verb to be. For example, I am, he is, she is, it is, or Greg is, or Sarah is, or it is. And we have we are, they are, you are, verb ing, complement, and we have time in the sentence. This time means what? Means arrangement, our works that we want to do one by one. So don't forget, please, students, this is present continuous, future arrangement. And we said we have the word how long for asking duration of the time in each tense. Please look at your notebooks. You wrote many good examples, and look at your activity book, because the exercises there we did, there are many good examples there. Please, students, don't forget your activity book and your notebook. Good time for all of you.